You like it? What? What? What is it? Say hi to Dad then. Say hi, Dad. Say hi. What's he doing? Okay, come on. Can I have some? Feed Mama. Oh. Can I have some? No? I wonder what we're gonna do after this. Are you done? All done. All done. No more? All done. Oh, what a big boy. Oh, look at that. Oh, looky there. Oh, yeah. Is it good? Was it good? Is it good or what? You get it in there? Yeah. Oh, Are you gonna eat it? Oh. This is fun. Your hand tastes good. What a big boy. Did you see that?
Mm-hmm.
That's a big boy. You got it in the right place. With the right utensils. No. You're okay. Oh, wrong end. That's the wrong end.
Hi, bedhead.
Please don't look at me.
Sir,
No.
it's off.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You lie. Peyton, what's Daddy doing? Yeah? Get it. Oh, isn't that good?
Peyton, use your spoon. Use your spoon.
I mean, we're gonna have to send a copy of this to Josh.
Use your spoon.
He likes the feeling. What'd you do? Is it good? You like it? He's gonna double fist it.
Peyton, use your spoon.
Is that good, baby?
Don't let him start slopping it everywhere.